Hello everyone, I am Gaurav and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussing exercise 5A. So let's start. The number of rows in A. That means number of rows 1, 2 and 3. So number of rows m, because m is called number of rows and it is denoted by m. Number of rows is equal to 3. Now number of column, that means n. Number of column is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now order of the matrix. Now we already know that the order of the matrix is represented as A, I, J, and where I is respective number of row and J is equal to respective number of column. Now so 3 and 4. So the order of the matrix is 3 into 4. And 3 represents m and 4 represents n. Now the number of all entries in A, that means all elements. So here also we find that means we multiply m into n, and when we multiply row into column, we get all entries of the element A. So we multiply, that means 3 into 4 is equal to 12 elements. Now we solve problem number 2. Problem number 2. Here the given matrices are 3, 0, 5, root 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, 4 upon 9. Here we have to write the order of the matrices. So it is element. So in this matrices, so we write the order of the matrices 3, 0, 3, 0, 5 root 3, 5 root 3, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, minus 2 and 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9. N into n, 1 row, 2 row. That means 2 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 4. Now problem number 2. Here D is equal to 1 by 2 and minus 5. Minus 5, 3 upon 4 and 7. So we here the order of the matrices. Now 1, 2, 3. That means 3 row. Now we write column 1, 2. That means it is 3 into 2 matrices. Now problem number 3. Now a matrix has 18 elements. That means element of A. That means element is equal to 18 elements of A. That means the matrix elements of A given here. So we have to write the positive order. So now 1 into 18, that means 1 row and 18 column. Second, 18 multiplied 1. Third, 2 into 9. 18. Fourth, 9 into 2. Fifth, 3. Fifth into 3. that means 3 into 2, that means the order of the matrix is 3 into 2, and the element Aij is equal to 2I minus j. First of all, the order of the matrix is 3 into 2, that means 3 row and 2 column. Now A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Now here we completed the order of the matrix 1, 2, 3, 3 row, 2 column, and we have to find out. Suppose the element A11, that means I here I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. 2I minus j, 2I minus j is equal to, here we put the value of I is equal to 2. Then 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we find the value of y(i2). The given matrix 2I minus j. Here I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. 2 into 1 minus 2, that means 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we find A21. Now we have to put the value of I is equal to 2. Now 2I minus j is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And now A22 is equal to 2I minus j is equal to, here 2 into 2 minus 2. Here 2 to the 4, that means 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now we find A31 is equal to 2I minus j is equal to, put I is equal to 3. Now 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to, that minus 1 is equal to 5, and A32 is equal to 2I minus j is equal to, put I is equal to 3. 2 into 3 minus 2, that means that minus 2 is equal to 4. So the element of the matrix A is equal to A11, 1, 0, 1, 0, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 5, 4, 5, 4. That's all. And now problem number 10. Here the matrix is 4 into 3. The order of the matrix is equal to 4 into 3. That means the given order of the matrix Now and given Aij is equal to I upon j. First we find 4 row and 3 column. So A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, A41, A42, and A43. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 into 1, 2, 3. So now we find the values of the element. Suppose we find A11. A11, that means I upon j. And we already know 1 first term is the value of I and the tenth one is the value of j. So 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. A12 is equal to I upon j is equal to 1 upon 2. Now A13 is equal to I upon j is equal to 1 upon 3. Now A21, now I upon j. Now we put the value of I equal to 2. Equal to 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. Now A22 is equal to I upon j. Now here 2 upon 2 is equal to 1, and the value of A23 is equal to I upon j is equal to 2 upon 3. Now A31, now we put the value I equal to 3 is equal to I upon j is equal to 3 upon 1 is equal to 3. A32, I upon j is equal to 3 upon 2. A33 is equal to I upon j is equal to 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. And now A41, now we put the value of I is equal to 4. I upon j is equal to 4 upon 1 is equal to 4. Now A42 is equal to I upon j, that means 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. And A43 is equal to I upon j is equal to 4 upon 3. Now here A11 is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now A21 2 1 and 2 upon 3. 2 1 2 upon 3. Now 3 by 2 and 1. 3 by 2 and 1. And now fourth 4 2 and 4 by 3.